Hello, math maniacs. Let's take a look at this problem. It says what percent of 150 is 52.5? So to find the percent, we're going to do part over whole. Part over whole. In this case, the whole amount is 150. And the part, or the partial amount, is 52.5. So I'm going to divide part by whole. I'm going to put that in my calculator. 52.5 divided by 150, and I get 0.35. Now, what that has done is given me a decimal value. I still don't have a percent. To change that into a percent, I'm going to multiply by 100, and that will give me 35%. So 52.5 is 35% of 150. Hope that helps.